Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Fatihah bin Husari and my matric number is 15DET18F and 2041. And I'm doing this video for multimedia subject. Today, I'm going to tell you step by step how to install Windows 10 on PC or laptop. There are two parts in install the Windows 10. And I'm going to explain to you step by step for the part 1 first. Firstly, make sure your Windows 10 installation media is connected. In order for you to install Windows 10, your Windows 10 installation file must be loaded onto a disk or flash drive, and the disk or flash drive must be inserted onto your computer. Second, open the start menu. Either click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen or press the Win key. Third, click the power icon. This is the circle with a line through its top in the bottom left corner of the start window. First step is click Restart. It is in the pop-up menu above the computer power icon. Doing so will restart your computer. Number 5, press and hold Deal or F2 to enter setup. This key may also be different key. Most computers will display a message on startup that says press key to enter setup or something similar. So look for this message when your computer restarts. To confirm the key, you should press to access the BIOS. BIOS. Consult your computer's manual or online support page to confirm your computer's BIOS key. Number 6, navigate to the boot tab. You will use the arrow key to select it. The boot tab may instead say boot options, depending on your computer's manufacturer. Step number 7, select a device from which to boot. You have a couple of options here. Number 1, for a USB flash drive, select the removable device options, or for a disk installation, select the CD-ROM drive option. Number 8, press the plus key until your boot option is first. Once either removable device or CD-ROM drive is at the top of the list, your computer will select your choice as its default boot option. On some computers, you will instead press one of the function keys, as an example F5, to navigate an option up to the top of the menu. The key will be listed on the right side of the screen. Step number 9, save your settings. You should see a key prompt, as an example F10 at the bottom of the screen that correlates to save and exit. Pressing it should save your settings and restart your computer. You may have to press enter to confirm the change. Wait for your Step number 10. Wait for your computer to restart. Once your computer finishes restarting, you will see a window here with your geographical data. You're now ready to begin setting up your Windows 10 installation. Here comes the part 2 of 2, which is installing the Windows 10. Step number 1, click Next when prompted. You can also click to change the options on this page. Example, the setup language before continuing if need to be. Number 2, click Install Now. It is in the middle of the window. Number 3, enter your Windows 10 key, then click Next. If you don't have a Windows 10 key, instead click Skip in the bottom right corner of the screen. Number 4, click the Accept box and click Next. Number 5, click Upgrade. It is at the top of the which type of installation do you want window. This option installs Windows 10 while preserving your files, apps, and settings. You can also click Custom instead to clean install Windows 10 on your computer. Doing so will prompt you to select a partition or format before continuing. Number 6, wait for Windows 10 to install. This process may take anywhere from half an hour to several hours, depending on your computer's previous operating system and processing speed. If prompted to press key in order to boot from a CD, do not press the key. Number 7 and the last step is follow on-screen setup instruction. Once Windows 10 has been installed on your computer, you will be able to customize its setting. As an example, your region, your preferred language, location settings, and etc. Once you finish this process, you will be taken to your computer's desktop. You can also click Express Setting to set up Windows 10 with the recommended settings. For the installation part, I've done explaining it to you step by step, and maybe some of you don't get the idea how to install it because I didn't show you itself, and it's okay. I'm going to pass you to Dini, my friends, to show you how to install Windows 10 on the PC. I hope you can get the knowledge and share it with your friends when Dini shows it to you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mama Arif Dini Mizikifli. My metric number 15DTK18F1005. So before this, my friend Teha has been explained to you roughly about how to install Windows 10 in your PC and your laptop. So right now I will explain to you details about how to install the Windows 10 in your laptop and PC. So without further ado, let's go. So before we start into the tutorial, so the user must take note 2 points of this installation. Before we install the Windows 10, we must back up our file on your PC first to avoid any errors during the installation. So I have backup in my disk or hard disk or pen drive, so you can backup first. So point number 2, before you install the Windows 10, so you must download the ISO file of Windows 10 at this link. So you just download it right here. Okay, so today I gonna show you the method of the installation of Windows 10 using VMware workstation, because I have my laptop is using Windows 10, so I will show you virtually how to install it in virtual machine. So first we click on the create a new virtual machine right here. So you can choose on custom, advanced, or typical recommended. So we choose the typical option here. Click next, and you must find the ISO file that you have been downloaded on your PC. So click on the Windows 10 right here and click open. Wait until the virtual machine detect the ISO file. So here it has been detected. Click next, and you can name in your virtual machine. So we proceed into Windows 10 Dini, and you can choose your location on your how to save it. Okay, so click next, and this right here, the virtual machine recommended you to set your this size. Okay, so recommended size for Windows 10 is 60 gig, and you can also customize it how much do you want that can maximize in your disk. So we choose the 60 gig with the recommended. Okay, and click on split virtual disk into multiple file. Okay, so next, and this you can customize your hardware, how your virtual machine that you want. So you can customize it, the processor, DVD, SSD, network data, USB controller, and so on. So if you're done, you can close it and click finish. So we will wait until the VMware create our disk. So after the loading screen, we're gonna have this settings. So language to install, we choose English, time and currency. That's it. Okay, if you don't have any more to setting it, so click next and click install now, and the setup is starting. So after this, I will show you how to furthermore how to install it. So be right back. So after that, after the loading screen, we set up. So basically, if you buy the original Windows, you will get the product key to active Windows. So I have been paste it in this section. So if you don't have, so you can choose I don't have a product key. So if you don't have, don't worry, the installation will be proceed also. So and the active Windows will be proceed later. Okay, so next. So it will take a longer time to activate, so we will go to after this process. So after we enter the product key, we serve by this option to select the operating system that we want to install. So this have the variation of Windows 10 that have on the Windows. So we will proceed to Windows 10 Pro. Okay, then we click next. So this is the Microsoft software license terms, and they all have the license item. So we just click I accept the license terms. Okay, then we click next. So we have been accept the license item, so we click next, and we okay. So this is the type of installation that we want. So they have upgrade and also custom. So we click on custom Windows only. So we have this. So click on that drive on this and click next. And the installation will be start. Okay, so this gonna be we will wait for a while, so I will skip until the Windows install will be complete. Okay, so we have been complete the installation, so it is the setting that you have to proceed. So let's start with the region. We choose Malaysia, of course. Where is Malaysia? Little bit. Okay, we choose Malaysia. Click yes. And they will proceed into the next step. So after that we will show the setting that we have to set up on this PC basically. So these are the settings that you need to set up. So if you don't have to change the settings, so we will click accept, and you are good to go. So we are done on the installation Windows 10 in VMware. So after this, you're free to set up all setting that you want, and you are good to go to use it. Okay, that's all that I have today on this tutorial. So I hope that you enjoy it, and you can comment down below on how about opinion about this video. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, and forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and I see you guys on the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye.